Hi, welcome. It might surprise you that I am reviewing spice jars, but if you've seen any of my videos or look at the name of my profile, you probably won't be too surprised. I love spice jars. I even make my own spices. So spice jars are kind of important. I picked these on purpose because they kind of fill a gap between the giant size that we use in the commercial kitchen to these smaller sizes that came for consumer kitchens. These are a little bit bigger, and that's important to me. I make my own seasonings, I make my own blends, and it just seems like this is a little limiting to me. So I was real happy to find these. This set comes with the shakers for the tops. It comes with metal lids, beautiful metal lids. It even came with that came out of one of the lids. A little magic marker, some labels. It just we came with a funnel. Look at that. That's just awesome. They also came with a grinder. So if you had something like even like some peppercorns, some white peppercorns, and you wanted to just grind them fresh, there you go. It's all ready to go. Came very well packed, as you can see. I can't say enough about these. There's 15 to them. They're big, beautiful spice jars. And what I also liked about them is they're going to fit in there. So there won't be as many, of course, but I'll have more volume, and that's what I was really after. I am really impressed with these. I like them. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.